Welcome back to this year's Porsche Restoration Challenge for 2025. My name is Peter Simpson, Service Director for Porsche Owings Mills. Some projects start with a dream. Ours started with a sunbaked 996 found out in the deserts of Utah. It was overlooked and unloved. But when we found it, we saw something special. A piece of Porsche's history. A time where they were transitioning from air-cooled heritage over to water-cooled progress. And this is our journey. We can't wait to share it with you.
First, we stripped it back to its bones. Underneath the desert patina were solid foundations. 72,000 original miles, untouched and unspoiled. The original 3.4 liter flat six came out and we separated it from the transmission. We gave the engine a full reseal, refreshed all major components, gave it a full tune-up, and of course, upgraded the IMS bearing. To emphasize the already rev-happy character of the 3.4, we decided to add a lightweight flywheel, Pfister modified mufflers, and a 997 airbox for improved breathing. The end goal was to let the engine rev cleanly and freely right to its sweet spot. When it came to the exterior of the car, we decided to go with the essentials. Factory style aero kit, complete with the iconic taco wing. Then this is where we got a bit ambitious. We sourced a set of Gambala Speedline wheels from Germany, and the catch was they were meant for a wide body turbo. They had the incorrect offset. So naturally, we doubled down. Custom wide body rear fender flares were fabricated, blended seamlessly into a factory 996 C4S rear bumper. And thanks to the talent of our body shop, you'd swear it came from the factory this way. And of course, if the car was going to look the part, it also had to handle the part too. So we ditched the old tired shocks and we installed a set of Öhlins coilovers to give the car the proper stance and handle the way it should have. We also wrapped our Gambala Speedline wheels in a set of brand new Michelin Pilot Sports. Then came the transformation. We resprayed the car in amethyst metallic, a deep, lustrous throwback to Porsche from the 90s. To tie it all together, we added a neodyme gold stripe down the side and color matched the wheels. It's bold, it's unique, and it's unmistakably Porsche. Inside the car, we continued with the GT3 vibe. We sourced a pair of period-correct carbon bucket seats. We also dipped back into the 997 parts bin for the shifter assembly for more tight, more direct feel. And the final touch, a handmade Carrera GT style wooden shift knob. It's tactile, it's classic, and it's a nod to Porsche's analog racing roots. This build wasn't about chasing lap times. It was about chasing a feeling. A lightweight analog 911 that bridges the two eras. And the first drive confirmed it. We didn't just restore a 996. We reimagined what it should have been. At Porsche Owings Mills, we built this car with heart. Honoring the platform, the people behind it, and the passion that brought it to life. Sometimes the best builds don't start with unicorns. They start with Camry-colored Carreras in the desert and end with something truly unforgettable. This is our 99 996 Carrera. Built by Porsche with passion, restored by us with love, and ready to be driven by the next generation.